Hello, hi, it's Liz here, and bright and early on a Monday morning we do the Margarete Miller collage assignments. So it's week 37 and here are the prompts. Anything that starts with an S, text in a language that is not your native tongue, translucent paper such as tracing paper, vellum or tissue, something with fins, and when I was typing it up I missed out a car, so a car is in that list as well, and the bonus is a receipt. So I have my little bundle here and I am swapping out this time the bonus, a receipt, for anything that starts with an S. So I'm going to miss that first one out and put in a receipt. So I have a receipt here from Hobbycraft, obviously one of my favourite shops. Something with fins. I have this character here, some sort of shark. I think it might be a hammerhead shark, I'm not terribly sure. Let's just pop that down and do this so that we don't have any flopping about. Something with fins, translucent paper such as vellum or tissue paper or tracing paper, and I have a piece of vellum. Text in a language that is not your native tongue. I have this piece of real vintage, and I think it's maybe a menu. I think it's French because it says menu and there's crudités, and that looks as if vinegar, artichoke maybe, I'm not sure. So I have that piece of French menu, and of course the car. I have a yellow cab, and I thought we would just simply make a little pile like that, and with the taxi I thought the shark would have a ride on the roof of the taxi. Something like that maybe, and I think that's how it's going to look. Just let you see that. Yep, so yeah, quite happy with that. It's a bit odd, but never mind. Right, let's just set that aside and we'll just bring in my old magazine, my glue stick, and we will just get it all stuck down. Like that. Now, I don't want to go round the edge of the vellum, I just want to, so what I'm going to do first is stick the receipt onto the vellum. And then I can see where I can put the glue on the back of the vellum. Yeah. And we'll just pop that somewhere in the middle, maybe. That, and then we can see where we can put the glue, because I don't mind the edge of the vellum not being stuck down. There we are. I bought a trolley tray, which I think is the little white tray that I've been using for my bits. Whoops, something fell. So yeah, that's the tray I bought. I think it sits on top of one of these trolleys that you get from Hobbycraft. I've got an IKEA trolley, so it doesn't really fit in the top of mine, but I didn't want it to anyway. I just wanted to use it as a little place to keep things, and I bought a circle punch, a 2-inch circle punch. I do have dies that are circles, but it's handy, I think, just to have a punch. You don't always want to be getting the die cutting machine on the go. So we'll just get this little big yellow taxi, as Joni said. Just get that there. And we'll just put that somehow on the roof of the taxi. Let's just get a dry page. Yeah, that's a bit of fun, isn't it? Let's just give that a wee rub. There we are. Easy peasy. So, I've got text in a language that's not your native tongue, translucent paper, a car, something with fins, and a receipt. So that's number 37, all done. Yeah, happy with that. So, thanks for joining me today, and if you've liked the video, oh, we're all twisted, there we are. A thumbs up would be much appreciated, and take care. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.